Hello students. So this is question number 13th of IOQM 2024 and 25, and the question says over here that the three positive integers a, b and c with a greater than c satisfies the following equation. The first equation is ac plus b plus c is equal to bc plus a plus 66, and the next one is a plus b plus c is 32, and we need to find the value of a. Now I'll be starting with the first equation, and I can write this as ac minus bc and plus b minus a plus c. This is going to be equal to 66. Now from here I can take c common, then I'll be getting a minus b, and from these two I can take minus 1 common, then we'll be getting a minus b plus c. This is 66. So this is factorized as a minus b into c minus 1 plus I'm subtracting minus 1 on both the sides. So this is 66 minus 1. So from here, after more factorization, I'll be getting that c minus 1 into a minus b plus 1. This is going to be equal to 65. Now, since a, b, and c all are integers, then the left hand side, these two factors has to be integers. Then in that case, this will be restricted to only few cases. That is, if the first factor or this can be written as 1 into 65. The next case is this is 65 minus 1. Another one is 13 into 5, and the next one is 5 into 13. Now, one by one, we can take the cases and we'll be getting the final answer over it. So the first case, if I'm taking that c minus 1 is 65, then in that case, a minus b plus 1, this is going to be equal to 1. So from here, I'll be getting a plus b. A is equal to b, or a plus b plus c is also given as 32. So if I'm going to look over here that c value is 66, then this is not going to satisfy the given condition. So case number 1 is being rejected. Now case number 2, if I'm going to start, then c minus 1 can be equal to 1, and the next one is a minus b plus 1. This is going to be equal to 65. Then c value is going to be equal to 2. Then we can write from here that a plus b plus c is 32, and by substituting this value over here, I will be getting that a plus b is going to be equal to 30 and a minus b is equal to 64. Now by solving these two, I'll be getting the value of b as a negative value. Since they are talking about the positive integers, so this case number 2 is also rejected. Now for case number 3, if I'm going to see, I can take c minus 1, this is equal to 5. And in that case, a minus b is going to be equal to 12. Now from here, a plus b, by substituting c value as 6, so I'll be getting this as 26. So by solving these two, I'll be getting the value of a as 19 and the value of b is equal to 7. So this is the accepted case because I'm getting c value as 6 and a and b as distinct values. Now moving on to the fourth case, and this is the last case. And in this case, we can take the value of c minus 1, that is going to be equal to 15. That is going to be equal to 13. So from here, I'll be getting the value of c as 14. And after getting c value as 14, I'll be getting a minus b is equal to 4. And a plus b is going to be equal to 18. And from here, if I'm going to solve, so I'll be getting the value of a as 11 and the value of b as 7. And the value of c is equal to 14 that we have already found out. Now, these two cases are the accepted cases. But another condition they have mentioned that a is greater than c. So if a is greater than c, so this is the only case, that is case number 3, that is left. Therefore, the final answer for the value of a, that has to be equal to 19. And if it is equal to 19, the same has been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.